Lesson 6. Operation Strategy in the Tourism and Hospitality Industry. Customer satisfaction, service quality, and business sustainability are all significantly influenced by operation plan used in the travel and hospitality sector. Key insight into how companies manage profitability, customer experience, and efficiency can be gained by consider how successful operation techniques have been in this industry. Successful companies are able to adjust to shifting trends, carefully integrate technology, put the needs of their customer first, and remain strong when faced with difficulties. Long-term success in this ever-changing business required constant evaluation and operation strategy modification. Lesson 7. Quality Management and Control. Business in the tourist and hospitality sectors must always exceed client expectation and maintain their competitiveness, which require effective quality management and control. Business must take a complete approach that incorporates consistency, personalization, staff training, technology integration, and responsiveness to client input when considering quality management and control in the travel and hospitality sector. The objective is to surpass expectation in order to create enduring experiences that foster client loyalty. But there are always going to be issues with upholding high standards in various places and handling complaints efficiently and incorporating sustainability without sacrificing service quality. Lesson 8. Budget. Budgeting is personal, organization, or national. It frequently takes into account how it will affect priorities, long-term objective, and financial health to achieve sustainability and save for the future. Personal budgeting involves striking a balance between income and expenses. It can be a reflection of one's values, indicating what matter makes most, like finances, health, and amusement, while a poorly managed budget may cause stress or instability, while planned budget can lead to more financial independence. The budget represents government priorities at the national level. What the administration values is demonstrated by the way money is distributed to areas like infrastructure, defense, healthcare, and education. Lesson 9. Productivity. The constant quest to accomplish more in less time can make productivity seem like a race against time. True productivity, however, is about what we do and how it significantly fits with our beliefs and goals, not with how much we do. In a society that exalts busyness, it's simple to mistake being busy for productivity. Making the proper decisions, establishing priorities, and realizing that relaxation and rejuvenation are just as important to productivity as concentrated works. All call for discernment. In the end, productivity is less about doing and more about being present, international, and aligned with what adds values to our lives and the lives for others. Lesson 10. Efficiency and effectiveness. The efficiency is about getting things done correctly, which means finishing job fast and with little effort or resources. It's about maximizing efficiency and producing results with the least amount of waste. Choosing action that are in the line with objectives and yield significant outcomes in the key to effectiveness. It's about getting the results you want and making sure your efforts are directed. While efficacy guarantees impact, efficiency guarantees productivity. Being efficient at carrying out the course that will help you reach your goals is the greatest way to balance both. Lesson 11. Supply Chain Operations. Modern organization depends on supply chain operation to link raw supplies to completed goods and eventually to customers. Effective supply chain management is a duty as well as a strategic advantage. Effectiveness guarantees that the supply chain is responsive to consumer demands and market shifts. While operational efficiency can save expenses and boost competitiveness, it takes careful preparation, teamwork, and technology to strike a balance between efficiency and effectiveness. Lesson 12. Sales Performance Monitoring and Labor Cost Computation. Monitoring sales success is more than just keeping tabs on figures. It's also about finding trends, seizing chance, and encourage responsibility. It helps companies to assess how effectively their plans fit the demands of their clients and the state of the market. How a business values its people resources and handles its expenses is reflected in labor cost computations.